viewers, we have breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Supporters of the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar created a high drama at the Mangalore airport as they gathered in large numbers and shouted victory slogans in front of AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal. In a full-fledged show of strength, the workers repeatedly demanded that the party high command make D.K. Shivakumar the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. So supporters of D.K. Shivakumar creating a high drama at the Mangalore airport, gathering in large numbers, shouting victory slogans, and in a show of strength really in front of AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal, repeatedly demanding that the party high command make D.K. Shivakumar the next Chief Minister. All right, let's get all the updates. Our colleague Abhishek is now joining us for more details. Abhishek, just a few days back, the Congress party had said, that everything is all is well within the party. There is no conflict. There's nothing. There's no problem. It is all it's all media created. And now the supporters of D.K. Shivakumar are creating a huge drama there, demanding that D.K. Shivakumar be made the next Chief Minister. What is happening?
Well, the actions of the congressman very clearly shows that this is not only the media creation, it was the creation of the very congressmen themselves. Because when K.C. Venugopal landed in Mangaluru airport, the supporters of D.K. Shivakumar, the camp of D.K. Shivakumar, raised slogans in front of K.C. Venugopal, requesting and demanding that D.K. Shivakumar be made the chief minister in the present term itself. On the other hand, we've also seen K.C. Venugopal, who hadn't reacted after the slogans were shouted at him. And he also maintained a peaceful mind of state because he didn't want to create any ruckus in between the ongoing drama for the chair of the chief minister. On the other hand, Chief Minister C.M. Siddaramaiah, Home Minister Dr. G. Parameswara and various leaders belonging to C.M. Siddaramaiah's camp have already reached Mangaluru airport and also are in the station in Mangaluru as of now to receive K.C. Venugopal and to address the gathering which will be happening at around 10:30, 11 in the morning. There is also an information that C.M. Siddaramaiah will make sure that his supporters will will support and will also reiterate on the importance of continuing Siddaramaiah as the Chief Minister of the state. However, another point of view is that the supporters of D.K. Shivakumar will also seek time to make sure that D.K. Shivakumar be reinstated as the Chief Minister in the next couple of days. But we'll have to see how K.C. Venugopal reacts on this issue after the program, because it is believed that the supporters of CM and DCM will try to have a conversation.
Stay with us, Abhishek. We are just going live for those visuals there that we are getting right now. Stay with us. Let's go to those visuals, please. not the live visuals, but the visuals where supporters of Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar created a high drama outside the Mangalore airport, and that in front of K.C. Venugopal. All right, Abhishek, we are showing our viewers this high drama that unfolded at the Mangalore airport. Now, of course, all onus is now on the Congress High Command there, because what the Congress High Command has been saying is everything is well, but these visuals are clearly showing that's not the case.
The High Command of the Congress Party had very earlier mentioned to Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar that all the differences between them had to be cleared off, and no such things are supposed to be continuing on a long-term basis. But the issue that happened at Mangaluru airport today, when K.C. Venugopal landed into the airport and the supporters of D.K. shouted slogans to show their support towards D.K. Shivakumar, it is very clear that the supporters or the camps of D.K. Shivakumar and CM Siddaramaiah are not happy with the High Command's interference with the change of leadership, and we are here to see if the High Command will be giving any strong message to CM Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar with respect to the leadership change that is about to happen probably in the month of April in 2026. On the other hand, we've also seen CM Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar sharing breakfast in both of their residences to give out a message stating that they are united, there is no differences between them, and they will be continuing with the same government until the High Command wants a change in the leadership. But the supporters of both of these persons probably might not have received the message from both these leaders, because the supporters of D.K. Shivakumar once again have shouted slogans for the support of D.K. Shivakumar, and we'll have to see how K.C. Venugopal reacts on this. And also there is a speculation that K.C. Venugopal might have gotten a message from the High Command to CM Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar with respect to what the decision of the High Command might have been. And also, will there be a date announced in a closed door arrangement to D.K. Shivakumar and CM Siddaramaiah, because it was B.K. Hariprasad who visited Delhi to have a conversation with the High Command, that is Rahul Gandhi, when Rahul Gandhi was stationed at Delhi. It is also believed that B.K. Hariprasad has given out some of the crucial information from the Karnataka state politics, and also he has mentioned why the leadership change might not be necessary as of now, because B.K. Hariprasad is believed to be on the CM's camp. On the other hand, we've also seen various other MLAs and supporters of D.K. Shivakumar's camp who were in Delhi to seek the time of the High Command. However, they didn't get the time is what we have been informed. So we will have to see if the High Command is showing interest towards Siddaramaiah or D.K. Shivakumar, or if the High Command has decided a date where the political shift or the shift in the leadership will be happening in the next couple of months. And also, we will have to see if the date will be announced to both these leaders today after the address of the gathering has been done. So we are awaiting the response and the intimation from the sources of the state Congress as well as the National Congress as of now.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for getting us those details as trouble continues to mount for Congress party in